Are you ever nervous before filming?
Girl, yes. You just gotta get a little bit delulu. You gotta get a little bit of an air of like, you got this.
Big
Confidence
facts.
is key. I mean.
Facts.
All right, here we are at Sephora Studios. It's me and Ty.
Hello.
We are both on the Sephora squad, and we're getting ready to shoot together. We have never shot together before, so it's super exciting.
So we'll be getting to know each other.
Yes, I love that.
And the Sephora team gave us a little card game
Ooh,
that we can play
Fun.
to get to know each other.
I
so
love cute. Let's do it.
okay, cool. So first question,
Yes.
Ashley,
Yes.
are you an introvert or extrovert?
I would say I'm an extrovert for the most part.
Yeah.
Introvert in certain situations, and then like once I get to know you and like warm up to the situation, I will definitely come out of my shell. How about you?
Okay, when I was growing up, I felt more like a introvert, but as I got older, I became more like an extrovert.
Ooh, this is a good one. Because I'm worried. I'm like, I'm gonna have to hurry to keep up with you. How long does it take for you to get ready in the morning?
I mean, I'm in more like natural vibes lately. I feel like this year it's just new me. I discovered that I'm leaning more towards like a more natural base,
Right.
but the eyes, dramatic.
Ooh, I like that. So eyes more dramatic, base more
I
skin
like
like.
to stand out.
Yes,
Yeah.
right.
But the right way.
Mm-hmm,
Flawless way.
I feel that. The flawless way. Yes. Oh, yeah. I am an everyday full beat, unfortunately. Yeah. I will do natural days, like, I mean, for the most part, like if I have to go pick up kids and sit in the car line, I'm not going to be in full baked
You
beat.
still gotta look good though.
But I
nothing wrong
mean,
with that.
for the most part, I do
a
like a full face.
when I'm going to the toilet.
Hey, there you go, as you should. So for me, it takes me, if I'm doing a full face, probably like 45 minutes.
Oh, really? 45.
Is that good?
That's short.
Oh, yes. I've cut it down. I've cut it down to 45 minutes.
What is your favorite blush to use? Wait, actually, stop. Are you a blush girly?
I'm a blush girly through
I'm
and through. So
blush,
this is
like,
my favorite question.
Light, medium what?
All of the above.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
what's the occasion? Give me an occasion.
I guess you're going to the winter ball.
Oh, so like, okay, so like a full be like, we want the blush. The blush needs to be blushing. Okay, for me, it's gonna be the Patrick Ta blushes. I think it's called That Girl. What is that one?
Oh, well, it's not that girl, but
Do we know? Okay, well, I need
Do we
that
know
one.
her?
I mean, do we know her? I don't know her, so I need her.
oh my gosh. Ever since I first saw Patrick Ta come out with these blushes, gagged. But you know what made me even more gagged? The technique to use. The powder.
When we saw him do that, oh, girl, it was game changer.
Ooh, that looks fun and exciting.
Listen.
What is that?
Oh, it's the Refi Primer.
Ooh.
I have used this. This is all I've been using for the past, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. Game changer. Love it. Love it so much.
It looks fun. You look glowy.
Oh, thank you. And it's got some tack to it, so I feel like it helps the makeup
it
to
good.
last for
Stick?
sure.
Like a good glue?
It's got some,
A decent glue?
got some tack to it.
I just want to play with it because it rolls.
I mean, it's fun.
I got another question to ask you.
Oh, lay it on me. What's up?
You ever imagine yourself in this position?
I mean, dream. It was a dream. Of course, it's like in your wildest dreams, you could probably come up with this. I had a full-blown, quote-unquote, big girl career going on as a speech therapist, and there is this notion that, okay, I did everything I was supposed to do, got the degree, became a mom, got married, did all the things, and it's like, there's this still big part of me that was like, I still want to do that. I still love that. I still love makeup. I still love all of these things. And so why not? Why not try? Why not make silly little videos on the internet and just see where it goes and feed that and see what happens? And it snowballed. And so lesson to follow your dreams and like really be in tune with that. That sounds so corny and cliche, but it's true. It really is. And just because you reach a certain age or you're a mom or you know, you feel like you have a other career going on, it doesn't mean that those dreams have to be put to bed and be put away. So
That's fair. What did you want to be when you were small?
I wanted to be on Broadway. No, but literally, that was that was the goal. That was the goal. I wanted to be performing of some way, shape, or form. I was always like dragging my parents and my siblings in to watch shows in the living room.
Oh.
Which it makes sense now, kind of, sort of. But yeah, that was the dream when I was little.
I wanted to be a nurse.
Aww.
/ surgeon.
Oh, okay. Fab.
/ fashion icon, which honestly, lately. So when I was in high school, I took like college courses for nursing, you know?
Right.
And then it actually got to the point to where we actually went and saw like a live surgery.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Right.
But it also made TyAna realize absolutely not. But
it all works out in the end. Yes.
yeah. My mom wasn't happy at first, but you know.
Okay, favorite mascara. Go.
Oh, the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick mascara. Wait,
Okay.
Can I say that?
Yes, you can say that.
I just did. Anyway.
Yeah.
The
Drop it
Hella
down.
Thick mascara. Because I'm all for like, I can't use just any mascara.
No,
I don't have the
mascara is a
lashes.
very particular thing. You have to like, you have your favorites, and then I'm a creature of habit. Like, it takes a lot for me to stray away.
I feel like Riri did her big one again with this mascara.
Yes. Well, and that's the thing,
feel-
like, too, it's like mascaras are not one size fits all. Like, everybody's lash textures are different. Everybody's length is different. So, I just want to watch. This is so satisfying.
I'm showing you.
Yes, go.
As a short lash girly, I just love it. It's just perfect.
I mean, she's doing what she needs to do. She's
getting
giving
the
what
job done.
Yes, 1,000%.
Absolutely. What mascara are you using?
So for me, it's always gonna be the Ilia mascara. This just like, I don't know, it gives the volume, and then you can kind of customize how like fluffy and fanned out you want it. And the formula, like you can build it and work with it, and just gives what it needs to give.
Alrighty, next question. If you
Yes.
could choose to do anything for a day, what would it be?
So for me, as a busy mom, I would definitely say just some me time, a little rest and relaxation, maybe like a spa day, facial situation.
Like a spa.
I mean,
if I could do anything for a day, it's probably just make content or be a gamer.
oh,
Yeah.
that's fab. Tell me more.
I do love me some video games. Maybe one day I can make a channel out of it.
Oh, I'm here for it.
I'm a little camera shy though.
Oh, please. No, I would love that. I'm definitely here for that.
I just love lip oils.
Okay,
better than lip gloss.
Tried both. That one is like more of a true lip oil to me. This one I feel like is more of a gloss, for sure.
I do like lip gloss, but it's just, a lot of them are like sticky. I'm leaning more towards like the oily, the smooth. Wait, oily?
Well, it looks incredible.
I love a lip oil. Let's just say that.
Yes.
I love me a lip oil.
Right.
Because it's just smooth and buttery. And for me, it just stays on.
Well, it looks incredible. What liner did you use?
So the combo is, I like to use the Makeup Forever lip pencil in shade Versatile Chestnut. And then I like to go in with the Liquid Matte Lip
That.
by Makeup Forever as well.
That is a pretty one.
And then I like to go in with a good lip oil, like I discussed.
Same.
I like to use the Summer Fridays. It is.
So
it's in
good.
shade Blush Dreams.
Okay, I'm getting all of that. Add to cart immediately.
You'll have juicy, beautiful, plush.
So I'm getting the mascara
lips.
and I'm getting the whole lip combo. Love. Amazing. Setting spray. What you got?
The Charlotte Tilbury.
Oh, that's what I
Airbrush.
use. Cheers.
I got the travel size. You can not go wrong with a travel size.
Yeah, I need to get the travel size. And I'm a little bit extra, and we'll layer it with a one size. She ain't going nowhere.
Are you ever nervous before filming?
Girl, yes. You just gotta get a little bit Delulu. You gotta get a little bit of an air of like, you got this.
Big
Confidence
facts.
is key.
Big facts, you're right.
But yeah, I think it's a little bit of nerves
I'm a
is
star.
healthy. A star. All right, we ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yeah. Yes.